I have seen peace, I have seen pain, resting on the shoulders of your name. Do you see the truth through all that lies? Do you see the world through troubled eyes? And if you want to talk about it anymore, lie here on the floor and cry on my shoulder. I'm a friend. I have seen birth, I have seen death, live to see a lover's final breath. Do you see my guilt? Should I feel fright? Is the fire of hesitation